My son gave this to me as a gift, and I just wanted to share a video on it with you guys so you can see a close-up look of the actual item. It's pretty cool. It's a similar car to a car my dad owned when I was a kid. So my son always hears me talking about it, how proud I was of my dad customizing it. My dad rebuilt it. It was pretty much like in awful condition. He took a few 2 months, probably 3 months to fix it up. I helped. Me and him, you know, he had me, back then we used to put what was called bondo and sanding it straight, and I remember shaving off the excess, and he would tell me from the back of the car to look down to make sure the lines were straight. It was a lot of fun doing that with my dad. So this is a reminder of that car. It looks very similar. He had these black lines as well, but he had it all across, all the way to the back. 1970 Chevy Nova, and it was a Nova. So I'm very grateful for the gift from my son. And I want to take it out of the box because I want to see how it looks up close. It's beautiful, very, very red. So I'm going to be taking the screws out and checking out the car totally. Pretty cool. I'm just doing this, not everybody's gonna do this. I just kind of want to play with it. Again, that's the... Cool. So this is the bottom. Rubbery wheels. Mufflers. I guess these screws are to take off the top of the car. I don't want to do that. So let's look at the trunk. I remember how big the trunks were. The back wheels kind of turn. I guess that's the, I don't know, the whatever you call that back there. I'm sorry. Looks like an alternator, air hose to the radiator port. No battery. Let's see. Oh, there's the battery. Oh no, and that's probably for the windshield wiper fluid. That's the radiator. I remember how hot that used to get. Open up the door, see what we can. The doors don't open up that much. See what we can see inside. I can see a stick shift in there. Let me get my flashlight. Let me close the door and look inside. See if I could get this blurriness out. Okay. There's the stick shift, that silver thing. I can't get it to focus. 2 chairs, a bench seat in the back, pretty cool. I'm very happy with my car. I can't get you to see, the door doesn't open up enough. It would be nice if the door opened up more. That way you get a better view of the inside. I guess you could see some of it. Not very detailed on the inside, which is fine. Just a stick shift and I guess a little bit you can see. You can't probably see it on the video, but the display, like the speedometer and all that, right there where the orange, right there the orange thing is. Oh, there it is. Okay. You can see it now. Pretty cool. I'm very happy. In the rearview mirror, I remember there would only be, you only were required to have one on the driver's side, not on the passenger side. I had to put my own on my first car. My first car was a Chevy scooter. And I think it only had one rearview mirror. You know, side view mirror, I should say. Pretty cool. So that's a look at my 1970 Chevrolet Nova SS Coupe. Very nice. My son thought of me and gave me this. Very appreciative of it. I'm going to put it right at the center of my computer, just to the bottom of my computer screen. Pretty cool. Appreciate it very much. All right, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye now.